Hello YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today's featured recipe is coconut drops, and I chose coconut drops because I don't really do a lot of Jamaican treats on my channel, and how am I going to really replicate the true Jamaican that I am if I don't show you what I be doing in the kitchen? So on the day that I am doing this, it's Emancipation Day in Jamaica. And Emancipation Day is basically the day when Jamaica was freed from slavery, and just the whole contentment that as a country we are no longer owned by somebody else. And after years of slavery and all of that big sprawl, we finally you know, feeling heard, like feeling proud of her accomplishments, and knowing that, all of those sacrifices and, like, you know, just those dark times really brought forth this fruit of like new hope. And, just to know like the next generation of how better this change is going to make their lives, and I am a product of that, and I am so proud. And I'm celebrating because there's so many people that died, there's so many people that went through so many gruesome, just injustice. And yeah, I'm here today because of those ancestors and people that sacrificed and worked hard for me to have the voice I have now, the platform I have now. So I'm trying to make them proud. How about that? So this is my coconut. I cut it, I washed it, and I had to change a container because I had to make sure I was able to like really get the grim and grime off it. And in my pot that I have on the stove, I put some cinnamon in it, and I'm adding my coconut to it, and I'm going to let this sit for a good 40 minutes. The most 40 minutes is fair enough time for the coconut to be reduced and with the flavor of the cinnamon to be infused into it. And then, well, we had our ginger in, and if you want to add more ginger you can, but this is enough. And I grated my ginger. I did not show you the grating aspect on camera because I was trying to make it more aesthetically pleasing and just give you the quick version, like the very straightforward version, to say the least. And definitely stir it so everything is combined, and the aroma in your kitchen is going to be impeccable. Especially like do this when it's like the weekend, where you can really have the time on hand to really like just bask in the aroma of everything. Like, look at the pot. This is like 20 minutes after. This is it when it's all reduced and ready for the sugar to go in. So you see, I was like clumping together and it's reduced. So I added sugar, and I was a little bit sketchy about adding the sugar because being that I'm on this health kick, well, of course vanilla, because we have to flavor it. Variety is the spice of life. So, and you can put like bay leaf, or if you have any other seasonings that not seasoning spices that you love, like rose water. Like, different Jamaicans do it differently, and this is how I chose to do it. Okay, so don't be on your edge thinking that no, she did not do it the right way. No, there are multiple ways of how you can produce the same craft. So I keep adding sugar to my liking, and just seeing how like it looks inside the pot, because honestly I do not consume a lot of sugar. My sugars are natural sugars from like fruits, or if I do like drink like my almond milk and it has some sugar in it, that's how I consume sugar. Or I might be drinking wine and sugars in wine. But look at my pot, like the sugar giving it the color and all of that. And it took me a little while for the sugar to really get the color right, because it was looking pale for a long time. And we're not going for pale. We need you a dark brown sun-kissed coconut, and this is what it looks like on the foil paper that it's resting on. This is where it will stay overnight. I did use some palm spray to help with the non-stick aspect of it, but if you want to speed up the process, put it in the refrigerator for like 40 minutes to an hour and you are good to go. So from my kitchen to yours, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.